here we got a clip, and now I'm going to show you how to do that whatever effect. Now take the part you want to show in slow motion or freeze motion and place it right after the beat, like this right here. You can see this, and now the rest of the portion will be fast forwarded between those beats. Like I want to show this frame in freeze motion, so I will slow it down like for a while, like really for a long while, like this. Now make a cut on the frame you wanna freeze next, and all the clip between the first freeze frame and the second freeze frame will be fast forwarded like a lot, like 500%, as you can see on the screen, just like this. And it should stop just before the next beat, just before the next beat. Now use cross dissolve between the first freeze frame and the fast forwarded frames, and use the that light relief between the second freeze frame and the fast forward area. Okay, my transition is a little bit modified. It's my custom preset. I will show you the settings so you can copy it and make your own preset too. And now you're done with the transitions, fast forward, freeze frames, and else things. Now I'm gonna make some more this freeze frame something.
A few moments later.
So I made more zooms and things, and more freeze frames, and nested all this, so it should be a little clean for me to edit it again. And now what we're going to do is export it first, so my computer don't take much load. Okay, because my computer is weak. Hope you understand it. Well, we have the exported one here. This one's after exported, so my PC won't take much load from this because it's already exported, and there's no edit right now on this. So now what we're going to do is some color grading, maybe not, but definitely some glow effects. So I thought some color grading would look nice, so I'm using this preset plus some of our personal settings, custom settings I mean. Just copy as mine, or if you are not doing it on the same clip or something else, you obviously need to do some different settings and different presets, so you have to do it on your own simply. And now I'm adding a glow effect called Glimmer, and it's not with the Premiere Pro, it's in a plugin called RG Universe, Red Giant Universe, and it's not free. And now we're gonna add the shake effect, and Premiere Pro also does not have any shake effect, so yeah, it's also from RG Universe plugin. And let me tell you one thing, shake effect will make literally anything look good. Literally any AMVs, any music video, it will make it look good. And yeah, of course, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, it really motivates me to make new tutorials, and please tell me what tutorial you wanna see in the comments, and bye bye.